A lovely day on this tower. So like it's a skyfall, and hopefully we do not see someone fall to their deaths. But it's a great tower, isn't it? And whoa! Oh! Ow! Are you okay, sir? Sir, are you okay?
Okay.
And then do it again. Then do it again.
Have you left roll spar?
Well, this tower seems pretty nice. It's a great tower with lots of bungee jumping.
Okay. Okay. Super.
Died again. And then again, from a different angle.
Super.
What?
Have you left roll spar?
No.
Alright, lovely day. Oh no! Oh no!
What?
Oh, we're in the building.
No.
Okay, and one more time from this angle, please. Do again. And then we just do one more again because that one did not cut, but this one can. So I'm gonna go from the home. So don't go yet. Don't go yet. I'm gonna watch from the home. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. And then one last shot before we end. Alright, that's great. Now it's gonna be my turn. Alright, well, it's kind to do. Ah! Wah! 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 Am I dead? Wait, Super, should we take turns of doing this?
Yeah, let me start first.
Okay.
Let's do roleplay. So, you're just looking at the tower and I throw it down.
Yeah. This is a lovely day.
And then you go like, let's hope no one falls down.
Let's hope no one falls down on this amazing sunny tower with. Oh my god! Alright, now it's your turn.
Okay, I'm gonna take it.
Alright, ready when you are.
This tower looks nice. Let's just hope there's no one falling down. Oh my god! Let me see him! Wow! Let's just hope let me go in with him!
Oh my god! I'm still going. I'm still going.
You forgot your ticket!
I'm still going.
Your ticket to the underground! You forgot your ticket to the underground! Come back!
I couldn't stop. I couldn't stop, and in the end, I died.
Hey, come back! You forgot your ticket! Or should I take the ticket myself?
You come back.
Hey, your ticket! Alright, I'm gonna be at the tower now.
Okay.
You forgot your ticket!
Wait, I'm gonna watch from the minefield.
Hey!
And what a lovely sunny day. The tower should be fine. Oh!
Ready when you are.
Oh my god, someone fell! My turn?
Wait, let me go down. Anyways. Oh, look at this tower. It's so sunny. So nice. Oh, we forgot his ticket. Come out here. We forgot your ticket.
I went back into the pit.
Okay, Adam's just responded to me saying he needs one more verification.
Okay, my turn.
Alright, your turn. Wait, whoops. Wait, let me reset.
Okay.
Just give me a sec.
It might
Alright.
take long. It
Three.
might take long.
2, 1. What a sunny
Hold on,
day that
hold on.
is. Someone should not fall off.
It might take long. It might take long.
Okay. So we're gonna watch from the volcano. I'm gonna keep watching my advantage point. Wait, I got an advantage point. Alright, go again. Alright, so this is a great building. Hopefully nothing happens. I want to go up there, you know, see what it's like. It's like a very great building. Ah! Oh no! Alright, my turn.
Wrong way. See you later.
Hold on.
Alright, the building's in smoke.
Wrong way. This looks nice. This is level 15 only. I'm level 15, but let's hope no one falls. Oh, nice. This is where did you just go? Oh, I'm level 15.
Alright, well now I can watch from here.
You are level 1 billion. You know the level. Get down. Ow. I guess we're sitting together then.
Alright, you go from the tower. You go to the tower. Whoa, what is that?
You know the loud. Get down. Ow. I guess we're sitting together. This looks nice, but I wonder why I just did this.
This is a nice tower. Oh no, someone's falling.
This looks nice, but I wonder why I just did this.
Well, my turn now.
Guess what? Oh man.
Oh yo, I fell off the tower.
Where did you go?
I don't know, I fell down the stairs.
Oh man.
I fell down the stairs.
I wonder how. I wonder what it would look like if someone fell down.
Oh really? You want to know what that is like? Well, how about if I just do this?
Let's just hope no one does. Someone fell down. It's like that would be weird. Huh? Someone's falling down. I need to slap him. Let's just hope no one. Get back here. It's like that would be. Get back here. Stand up. Now or slap your face. Get out. Get back here. Say goodnight.
I got flung out of the map.
Say goodnight. Okay, my turn.
Alright, well now it's your turn now.
That's what you get.
It's a great building. Oh no!
My turn.
He's falling. Oh wait, no, wait. Is that you on the rope? Is that you on the rope?
Hey, sir, guess what?
Yes.
Guess what?
Mm.
Hey, sir, guess what?
Did you see me die? Wonder if I just did this.
Wait, let me push you off. I was gonna push you off.
Sorry, my bad.
This time. Go back. I'll push you off this time. Wait, let me.
And then you can watch all the way.
Hey, friend, let's see it. Let's see this time. Oh wait, guess what? Go back. I'll push you off this time. Hey, friend, let's see it. Let's see this. Oh wait, guess what?
And now what? And now let's do one if we both fall off the tower at the same time. All right,
Wait,
3.
buy the flick tool. That's how I did it.
Okay, I will.
I bought the flick tool. Go to the shop and then buy the flick tool. Wait, buy the flick tool. That's how I did it.
All right. Goodbye.
I bought the flick tool. Go to the shop and then buy the flick tool.
Get up. Get up.
What was who's winning the hammer?
All right, now
Alright,
let's fall at the same time. 3, 2, 1.
Here. Let's go. Alright, my turn. Here. Go ahead. No, get up. We're in the bouncy house right now. We're in the bouncy house right now. Get it.
Oh, I sent him. Oh.
Help. Look at me.
Oh, I'm going back to tower. Wait. You need go outside the bouncy castle.
Wait, let me come back.
All right, go out. All right, are you outside the bouncy castle?
Wait, let me come back. I'm outside the bouncy castle.
Okay.
Where's?
Oh.
Okay, actually, let me do that, pushing you off again.
All right, cool. But this time I
Hey,
thought.
friend,
But
listen to
this time you don't.
Actually,
All right.
let me do that, hey, guess what?
Hey, what?
Hey, friend, listen to this. Hey, guess what? Ow.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Wait, Super, look at this. You go to the pit. Go to the pit. Go to the pit.
Ow. Get up, boys.
Wait. Let's do whoever survives first wins.
Alright. Get up. No.
Yeah. Wait, where did you go?
Psych.
Oh.
Psych. Look at me. I'm still winning. I still won.
Alright, now what if you go? Wait, go to the pit. No, go to the pit. Trust. Actually, go to the pit.
Me. I'm still winning. I still won.
Bro, just go to the pit, man.
Get out, boys. Fuck you, eh? Get out.
Bro, just actually go to the thing now. Alright, are you at the pit?
Where's the pitch?
There.
Where's the pitch?
No, the pit, not the pitch.
Where's the pitch? Yeah, I'm at the pit. I'm outside of it.
Alright.
I'm outside of it.
Now this time, my body. Why is it moving? Oh my body. Are you there?
Yeah.
Bro, why is my body moving? What happened? Yo.
Yeah.
am I even controlling it? My leg. Oh my god, my leg. My leg.
You got your leg back. Now you got your other one. Now you just need your head.
What the fuck? No, what was that? What was that? What was
You
that?
got your leg back. Now you got your other one. Now you just need
What was that? I'm in the tower. Screw you. Oh, you wanna slap people, huh?
Because I'm here as well. I'm wondering where you are. I wonder where you are. I'm here as well. I'm wondering. Could you possibly be this dummy here? Let's flip it. Get up. Get up. Get up. Could you possibly be this dummy here? Let's flip it. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
I wonder where they came from. Alright, Super, you go to the tower now. You go to the tower. Alright, Super, I'm gonna go to the tower from 3 different angles. So you go off the tower now. Oh no! Alright, now we go to this vantage point. So now you fall off again. I've got about 8 vantage points, so we can do all 8 of them. Alright, the second one. Oh! That was a bit more gruesome. How about this one? Alright, this one now. Try this one. Oh. Oh, his bow went all the way back up. Alright. Now, how about here? Oh, this one's great. This one's good. Alright, go. This one's a good vantage point. Alright, now let's go to the spiral staircase. Go. Wait. We go again. We go again. Alright, go. Oh! Oh! Okay, alright, well, wait, let me go from a even better vantage point from here.
What am I doing?
Wait, what do you mean, what are you doing? What happened?
Look at me. I'm at the landmine thing. Minefield. I'm at the minefield.
Oh, I see you, yeah.
Look at me. Look what I'm doing. Landmine thing.
Alright, jump off again, because this is actually the best one I got now. It's actually the best one. I can see if I'm hit the floor from there.
Look what I'm doing.
What the hell? Bro went to space.
Well, guess what? I did it because you're gonna see.
Bro, but you didn't fall from the. But you have to fall from the ramp to see, so I can see. Fall from the ramp. Fall from the ramp. I need to see though. I didn't see. Oh, that's the better one.
Wait.
Yeah, can you fall from the ramp now, please?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but you flinged yourself up, and now I can't see because you went behind the building. Can you just do it normally like what I did? Because
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, like that. That's a bit of a gruesome death. Oh, okay, that's actually one gruesome. Alright, how about this one? This one's not even bad. Alright. Try from this one.
Alright, what do I do? What do I do?
You just jump off. Simple.
Basically just fall off. What do I do?
Oh, oh my god! He fell off! No! No! Oh!
I was gonna hit the hammer. Wait, should I target for the hammer and see what happens?
Alright, try. I'll wait from this vantage
I was
point.
gonna hit the hammer.
Oh.
Wait, should I target for the hammer? I'm targeting for the hammer. Whoa! Okay, that did nothing. Wait, let me try again. I'm targeting for the hammer. What? Okay, that did nothing. There we go. Try again. Oh!
Oh, there he goes! Down he went!
There we go.
And into the horizon. Alright, let me go to the volcano. Wait, yeah. Look at it. This one's a great vantage point, but go on.
I jumped from the ramp.
I didn't
Oh
even
no, Super is heading. Oh no, Super is heading for the volcanoes. Run! The volcano's gonna erupt. Oh no, Super is heading. Oh no,
What?
Super is heading for the volcano. Oh, volcano's gonna.
Bro, what? Bro, jump off the building. I didn't even see you last time. You literally went. Wait. Do it again. Like, just jump off real quick, and then, because I didn't see you from that angle. No. No, actually, do it normally now. Just do it normally in front of the building. Like, don't fling yourself. Do it from there, normally.
I'm just trying to get back in because they're trying to thinking they're gonna put me in the middle.
All right, now I got another stuff. How about this? Oh yeah, from there. Actually, that's actually the best one that we've had. Do it normally from there. Oh. Okay, that's actually the best one we got. That's the best one we got. Okay, the bouncy castle. How about that? I think the hammer might. Oh. Okay, bouncy castle was good. Racing track. That's even closer. Okay, let's see. Let's see how more gruesome this will be up in close person. Oh. Oh. Okay, well, let me go to the blender. Now try from there. Well, he just saw his brother died, so he's gonna jump off. Well, Super jump off here. News record. Someone else. But that's not Super. Oh, no. Oh, he's gone into the boat. Oh, no. Super's gone from the vents. Can you believe it? All right. Water slide? Oh, yeah, we can do this one. All right, do this one. This one's a great one. Now do the ramp. Yeah, but do it backwards this time because I'm apparently back behind it. So do it. So don't do it from the ramp. Do it backwards, like back from the back of the building. Oh my god. Oh my god, he died. Okay, no. And last one, but not least, vehicle ramps. Let's see from this one.
I see my legs. Look at my legs. It's literally spinning. Wait, I see my legs.
Oh yeah, spinning on the water. Spinning on the water.
It's literally spinning.
And the final one, bro. And the final one is from. I just do it for the last final time, and then we'll end it.
Do I jump for the ramp or back?
Ramp.
Do I jump for the ramp or back?
Oh no. And that will settle it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.